It's not a picture, I'm taking a video. Shoot my fucking cat! Camera's worth more than I am. Ben's in the line of fire. Oh yeah. Dude, wait. Check this shit out.
Okay. No, don't leave. I'm not.
Dude, check this shit out. Damn. You fucking. That is fucking orgasmic.
How much did that cost? It's $46. I just got into that.
Dude, we so should have bought that glow in the dark one.
I won't hit my $5 grand.
Don't shoot my fuck!
Shoot my face. What my nose? You're not.
I'm like, big fucking Ben. It's right there, dude.
Yeah. Ben is technically out of tap us all.
Yeah. Fuck everybody and their mother up.
Is this video going on YouTube?
If dude, Dan, do you have a SanDisk port? A SanDisk port?
No.
Do you? Oh, if you do, dude, I can put these videos on the fucking internet.
Good chat.
Dude, be right back, people.